Man don't break bottle on top officer head. Oh. Hey, Agege is in trouble. Agege is in serious trouble. According to Matter wey reach me, they say the officer truck the guy they drive. So they say the officer wants to seize the truck. Nobody know why up till now. Nobody know how the matter start, how it finish. But my people, waiting I know now, waiting I don't bring for una to watch. So I beg, I won't make una watch the video. How they argue, how bottle even enter, they break officer head. I beg, join me, make we watch the video.
Mojo obo bolo ti na lujo e bole baba o ti bo ti na bole bolo wi ejo e bojo e gbo e ti wora lu aye ma baje ni e bolo ni
Omo, I dey sure say this policeman don't even believe this thing. He see grace in another level. See how he carry the thing, hit am, bam. I mean, my people, see, on a serious note, when I see the same way we they criticize police when they harass us, they oppress us. Now the same way we supposed to criticize when now they do the thing. No, are they serious? This thing, you know, if you are not the kind of matter now where this boy don't carry upon himself. Already we know say police people, they don't get, you understand? They are this thing, if they touch. Already we know. May we not follow their steps because how did they thought that two wrongs cannot make a right? We know them like that already. If you follow them now, score they misbehave. I don't understand who can be the mad person. No, who can be the mad person? And I don't know how we even want to defend this person now. Because it's of see video day, everything, the evidence, the waiting you want talk. No, waiting you want talk. I don't know how we want solve this matter. Now I bring her here because I understand our pain, no. Things where we they go through, you understand? If you have not been attacked before, when you call police, you they wait on police. Let me say, una no go understand some kind of things. Now what they say, I understand una pain. I'm robbers come. This one no be say they tell me I dey there. And they see the police car. They park somewhere, wait. Maybe the armed robbers finish their operation before they go come. And even as they come, they blow siren loud though, so that the armed robbers go hear say that they come, so that they go run. If you never experience something like this, you no go understand why people no like police matter. I understand, but this is not the solution. You breaking bottle on a policeman head not be the solution. You see, we all don't go through some things. We learn to control ourselves because. I just imagine the kind of torture where this man go pass now. Because first of all, I never even enter financial matter. Leave money first. Before that money go come, the waiting your body go here. Bros, you will wish you even gave him the truck for him to take. Almost see bottle. Hey, even myself, if they do me like that, they watch movie. I bet when they see this drink by. Yes, now they say one particular drink, oh, and I need that. The name of the drink na Fearless. I bet make una give me some. See, this guy get courage. I bet you chop something, you drink something. Okay, you drink Fearless. I bet who know where did they say that? See, I need them. I need this courage too much for me to handle. Police people. I bet no kuna know where una they do na work. No, are they serious? Police, no the kind areas where they go do this kind. I'm seizing your car. Get down. Some people, some areas are rascal. You see Agege. All those no, una know the places. I bet calm down yourself when you did this kind of places because they go treat your this thing, you know, very very important. See now, wahala don't boss, wahala don't boss, but. My people, this thing is wrong. See, I don't say many of you now they expect me to do this one. Yes, police people they get square. But waiting this guy do is wrong. Are they serious? Imagine seeing this police officer die. You know say na triple trouble wey do enter body like that. I beg avoid these uniform people. Try and avoid. if you even get small change, they ask you for change. We know they support am, but as long as say e go save your life. Because see am now, I'm seizing your truck. You know, gree giver. You know, bottle enter, a boss person head. Because now police people now they already they talk say now we they brutalize them. See how they sabi change matter. Now we they imagine no. Now we they brutalize them. So imagine now they come watch this video. They go say, ah, we said it. See the evidence. You understand? Because make we try today. In fact, try to they calm down. Try to they calm down. Because now this one they go can't take action. They no go waste time. But if now police harass citizen, they go sleep. Because now citizen harass police. No, check them. So I go bring on an update. Wait, how they drive with 100 cars, how they carry the guy, how they start the beat out, how I go bring on an update. Now why I need subscribe? Just click on that thing so that anytime when we get, you understand, goodies for you, it go pop up for any phone or waiting they use. Very, very important. I bet start to drop the comment for that comment section concerning this matter, anything where you think or whether you get this kind of experience before. I want to hear from you. Drop up for that side. I make sure say share this video one more time. Everybody know what they happen and why not subscribe. Stay tuned for our next story.